dumating na yung order ko for my kids. Ayan. Ayan, box natin. This one is my gift for them. Ayan. Well, 20 plus sila. Ang hirap mag-isip ng gifts. Ayan, iba-iba to. We have Princess. I have Mickey Mouse. I have Mickey. I have 3. So, my numbers are close. Usually, pinili ko yung ano lang, yung pwede sa girl, pwede sa boy. Ayan. Kaya yung girls, pinilihan ko na ito ng pang-girls talaga. So, this. Ayan. Bili na kayo bago mga sold out. Cars for the boys. Ayan. Bata pa may ganito na. Ayan, princess. Ayan, cars. Cars. Princess. Ayan. Marami kasi akong boys. I have 4 girls lang kasi. So, ayan. So, then, but guys, I bought this one. This is not sponsored. I have this. 1, 2, 4, 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. This one is 5. This one is 71. Ito yung Mickey. Ito siya setup. Ayan. Meron siyang pagkakopyahan sa loob. Ayan. There's a picture inside. Napagagayahan nila like this. Tapos, ito yung mga, sorry. Ito yung puzzle pieces. Yan. This one. May mga numbers siya sa likod, so malalaman yung pagkulang na.